Right now at 6, disorder in court. A woman accused of a DUI crash that seriously injured a school principal accepted a plea deal, and the judge withdrew it. Her bizarre behavior essentially ruined the deal, and now she has a trial date for her role in the crash that severely injured popular principal Javier Perez. Local 10 News reporter Carlos Suarez live in Miami with our top story at 6. Carlos.
Marilyn Aguilera came to court late and she was medicated. She criticized her previous attorney, the one who helped her score this plea deal, and she interrupted the judge several times and at one point asked her if she could leave prison early. An act of mercy allowed Marilyn Aguilera to walk into court Friday and accept a plea deal the state offered in good faith. A deal Aguilera threw away in spectacular fashion.
These people have been sitting here in this courtroom for hours. Act like a grown-up. Raise your right hand.
The admonishment marked the beginning of the end to a hearing that featured an agitated judge, an exasperated prosecutor, and a helpless defense attorney.
Ms. Aguilera does not have to accept this plea. I am not interested in negotiating with a person that wants to do what she's doing.
No, I'm not taking a plea on this case. I'm sorry.
Linda, I was trying
My name
to
is not
say,
Linda, and do not address me now,
Miss
please.
Ward,
No.
all I wanted
All right,
to
I'll
do
set
was
this. Stop talking when I'm talking.
Aguilera was facing 4 years in prison for a DUI crash that left South Dade High principal Javier Perez without his legs. Perez was in court in a wheelchair next to his wife and was the one who asked the state to offer Aguilera a deal.
And they are people that want closure to this very painful chapter in their lives.
Do you understand that?
yes.
The judge's impatience gave way to a serious concern that Aguilera was on medication for a mental illness and not in the right mind to accept her guilt. Did you ever advise her not to take the medication?
I would never have advised her. I'm not a doctor. I'm a criminal defense attorney. That's not my job. Unfortunately, today was a disaster. You know, she's a mess, and there's no excuse for this behavior at all.
All right, now Javier Perez left the courtroom without saying anything, and prosecutors late this afternoon said that there would be no other plea deal in this case. The trial is set for December 11th, and if convicted, Aguilera faces more than 7 years in prison. We're live inside the Metro Justice Building in Miami. I'm Carlos Suarez, Local 10 News.